Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 5. Now, there's two options here. Either if it is the end of a wave 5, then it definitely will take out the low of wave 4, which is a long ways down. Now, if this is actually not the end of a wave 5 and this move down is actually just a correction to the last 5 waves up, then it will go down, most likely in 3 waves, to a Fibonacci retracement level of this push up and continue back up. We don't really know whether it's going to be an ABC correction to the last move up or whether it really is going to go down and break structure. It definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, but when I look at all other yen pairs, most of the other yen pairs definitely look like they're making a correction like a wave 4. So I honestly think that it would not surprise me at all if this does make a correction to the last move up. Either way though, it should be quite a while before we have to worry about that. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is all one push down, which is either a wave A or a wave 1. Definitely is not important for us to know the difference between a wave A or a wave 1 at this stage in the pattern, because the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario, which is we are going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, I actually think this is a 3, 4, 5 right here. There's not much of a wave 1 up here to match it, but I think there is a little bit of a 1, 2 up here. So I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A or wave 1, like I was explaining on the weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, since this low right here hasn't broken down yet, my most recent structure is actually still right here. So if price goes up and breaks this structure, I definitely will turn into a buyer. But as of right now, I am definitely 100% looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Most wave 5s do take out the low of wave 3. So, I mean, not always, but most of the time they do take out the low of wave 3. So I still think there's a pretty good chance that it will just keep on going down and that it probably will not take out this high yet. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Really, it looks like we might have already got another end of a correction. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up to a 61%. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it did pop up a little bit more because this move does look like a trend. This does kind of look like a correction. I honestly think that it might be possible that it goes up and finishes off a more proper ABC correction like that. But I would personally not really worry too much about that. I would actually want to be short right now from here. And if it just keeps on going down, that's great. That's like a bonus trade for you. And the trend is down on basically every single higher time frame, so I definitely would continue to look for shorts every chance I get. I just like to try to keep my options open, have multiple counts going in different directions, so that way I'm not surprised if the market does do something I don't expect it to do. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.